body. For example, where's your head? Where's your head? Shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes. And pag sinabi mong cup, dapat kumuha kayo ng cup mabilis. Kasi kung sino yung hindi makakakuha ng cup, matatanggal sa game. Dapat mabilis kayo, ha? For our first round, where's your head? Shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, head, shoulders, head, shoulders, 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 head. Sorry, abangasan natin ako. Play naman siya. Ulit. Where's your head? Sige, pag-alan lang ni Ate Yasmin. Ay, isa pa. Alam, may nagbakaw po isa.
Ayaw na.
Sige, pag-alan lang ni Ate Yasmin. Where's your head? Shoulders, knees, toes, shoulders, knees, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, toes, head,